Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. Replacing a headlight bulb is a straightforward task that can save you significant money compared to a dealership. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and new bulbs. Remember to wear gloves to protect the bulb from skin oils, which can shorten its lifespan. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle. To access the headlight bulb, first open your hood. On the driver's side, you will need to loosen the clamp on the air intake boot using a flat blade screwdriver, then carefully move the boot and airbox aside. For the passenger side, simply unclip and lift the engine control unit, or ECU, to create enough space. Once these components are moved, you will see the back of the headlight assembly, often covered by a round dust cap. Now it is time to replace the bulb. First, twist the round dust cap counterclockwise to remove it, exposing the bulb connector. Gently twist the old bulb's electrical connector counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out by its plastic base, avoiding touching the glass. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, align its pins with the socket, push it in, and twist clockwise to lock it securely. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical harness by twisting it clockwise until it clicks. Replace the dust cap, turning it clockwise to seal the headlight assembly. Now, carefully reassemble any components you moved, like the air intake boot or the ECU, ensuring all clamps and clips are secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test both the low and high beams to confirm they are working correctly. Adjust the beam alignment if needed for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.